Brooklyn. This is Nadia Sabardi coming to you live from Queens, New York, from createwealthwithnadia.com. So I was actually trying to shoot this video on YouTube, but I was having a lot of issues. So I decided to shoot it on my Facebook page, and then I will upload it on YouTube. So if you're viewing this video from YouTube, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm an online entrepreneur, course creator, author. I teach social media marketing. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to become a social media manager. So if you guys resonate with me, make sure you comment on the comment section and let me know how I'm doing with this video, because I haven't been shooting much videos on YouTube for the past year and a half because I was really busy behind the scenes working on other things. So now I'm ready to start back shooting videos 3 times a week. So make sure you subscribe for online marketing tips and social media marketing. So today we're going to be talking about how to become a social media manager. Now, as you all know, a lot of companies are transitioning to, starting their business online. And we're talking about a lot of big companies, because a lot of businesses in the United States and worldwide, they can't afford the overhead of having a business, right? Where they have clients and customers and stuff like that. So a lot of them are turning to social media, and their workload is really a lot right now. So they're actually hiring social media managers just to help them with, their accounts. So these jobs are available for Facebook, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. Yes, and what it entails is that, social media managers, right? They manage accounts for influencers, for online marketers, for businesses, for stores, and they earn a lot of money. Some of them are earning, $150 a day. Some of them are earning probably anywhere from $25 to $50 an hour or more. It depends, right? And guys, this is only for a few hours of work. Okay, so what they do is, let's say maybe they're like yoga instructors, right? So they have a lot of students. They don't have time to upload their content. Maybe it's for YouTube, right? So you need to have basic knowledge of, how to operate social media, right? And we're not even talking about you don't have to create any content. You really don't, because these business owners, they already have the content that they need you to post on social media. So maybe they might create infographics, right? Maybe for their services. Maybe they need you to upload certain things onto their business page, right? Or maybe they need you to upload videos onto their YouTube channel. This is really simple. So you pretty much really need to learn. You don't even have to create content. All right. You just have to know how to navigate through social media, how to copy and paste, how to upload videos, right, onto the business page, or maybe to Instagram, right? Or, and this is pretty much what it is. So you're pretty much posting. Maybe they might need you to work like 3 hours a day, right? And they're actually paying you by the hour. So guess what? I have access to all of that to actually help you guys how to apply for these jobs. Okay, so the link is in the description. Click on the link. Make sure you answer the qualifying questions to see if you're qualified for these jobs. And these jobs are for the United States. All right. We also have jobs for social media managers worldwide, so you can still apply for that and enter your information where you're from. Okay, and these jobs are being updated every single day. And according to the World Economic Forum, they said social media managers are going to be in high demand in 2022. And I'm actually seeing that happening right now, because a lot of people are actually messaging me, how to become a social media manager. And I know, social media manager, the word sounds like, oh my gosh, it's a lot of stuff. And it really isn't, because here's the thing. You're just uploading content that's already done, pre-made. So you don't have to create content. But there are some companies that will require you to create content and for them, and they're actually paying. You're going to be posting 4 times a week, okay? And they're actually paying $1,500 a month. Okay, so this is very, very easy to get into and very simple. It's not a lot of work. All right, so I highly recommend, guys, if you want to become a social media manager and earn some money on the side, you know, I recommend you learn how to do this, and it's really simple because the company train you and let you know exactly what they want you to do. All right. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, and I highly recommend get on with it because listen, millions of job loss is coming. Things are not going to get back to normal, especially with all the issues that we are facing right now. So a lot of people uh, opting into social media marketing, right? So they need a lot of people. They're looking for a lot of social media managers, and I can help you with that. All right. So just click on the link and apply. Click on the link and apply to these jobs. All right. And then you'll get an email with the steps, the next steps that you need to take. All right. So if you need to learn social media marketing, follow me. All right. So I will talk to you later. God bless you. Have an amazing, amazing day. Bye, everyone.